Okay, so now let's look at fractions now in our algebra. Now, whenever you add or subtract fractions, you need a common denominator, right? For this first fraction, our denominator is 2. For this second fraction, our denominator is 3. Now, what we want is you to have the same denominator, right? You cannot add or subtract two fractions with different denominators. So what do? I look for the lowest common multiple of these denominators. A lowest common multiple simply means a number that they can divide into. 2 and 3 can both divide into 6, right? It's the smallest number that they can both divide into, right? Usually you want to use the smallest number to make life easier for yourself, right? Once I have that 6 now, I can proceed to the next step. I can now divide this into 6, right? 2 into 6 is 3. Then I take that 3 and multiply by that numerator to get 3x. So 2 into 6, 3. 3 times x, 3x, right? Plus 3 into 6, 2. 2 times x, 2x. So that's what I did. 3 into 6 goes 2 times. That's 2. I take it, multiply by that, I get 2x. Then I can add that up. 3x plus 2x, these are like terms, I get 5x. And so my answer is 5x over 6 there. So that's our first example. 2y over 5 minus 3y over 2. Again, we need a common denominator. So I look for a number that they can both divide into, preferably the smallest one, and that's 10. 5 can divide into 10, 2 can divide into 10. So I now move on. 5 into 10 is 2. So I'll say 2 times the numerator times 2y, right? Minus 2 into 10, that's 5. I'll say 5 times the numerator, 5 times 3y, okay? So 2 times 2y will give you 4y, minus 5 times 3 will give you minus 15y, and this is all over 10. Now these are like terms, so I can divide, so this becomes minus 11y over 10, right? I've got my answer there. 3a over 4 minus 5b over 2, right? Again, just look for your lowest common multiple, right? Which is 8. 4 and 2 go into 8. 4 into 8, sorry. 4 into 8 goes 2 times. I take that 2, multiply by 3a. 2 into 8 goes 4 times. I take that 4, multiply by 5b. My minus is there. 2 times 3a, that's 6a. 4 times 5b, that's 20b. So I'll get 6a minus 20b over 8. Now, these are not like terms, so I stop there. Can't simplify that any further. Okay, now we have 2 over 3a plus 3 over 5b, right? So now 2 over 3a plus 3 over 5b. So I look at the numbers first, the denominators. 3 and 5, their lowest common multiple is 15. They both go into 15. And then I collect these letters as well. I have my a and my b. Right? Now I divide 3a into 15. Right? 3a into 15. And I can do it here. If I have 15ab divided by 3a, what would happen? The a's would cancel. Then I would say 3 into 15 b, I'll get 5b, right? So the first thing is these letters cancel off. A cancels a. 3 into 15b gives me 5b. So I'll get 5b times the numerator 2. Then plus my 5b into 15ab. Just to show you, I'll do it here. 15ab, and I have my 5b. So you can see the b's cancel off, and then 5 divides into 15a, giving you a 3a. So that's what happens. The b cancels off the b. 5 into 15a gives you what? 3a. 3a times the numerator, which is 3. So this gives me 5b times 2, that's 10b, plus 3a times 3, that's 9a, all over 15ab. And then that is your result. These are not like terms, so you can't simplify further than that.